Dolphins are aquatic mammals. Dolphins are very intelligent like human beings. Chimpanzees are species of great apes. Chimpanzees are omnivores. Deers are herbivorous animals. Deers have good hearing and eyesight. Lions are large cats. Lions are native to India and Africa. Koalas are herbivorous animals which can be found in the driest continent. Lion cubs are born very small. They can only weigh up to 1.5 kilograms. Donkeys are social animals. Seals are marine mammals. Seals are also good divers. Kangaroo. There are almost 60 species of kangaroos. Cows are farm animals. Cows are the most social animals. Walrus are marine mammals with tusks. Moose are herbivorous animals. Moose are very powerful. Tigers are big wild cats. Tigers are also endangered animals. Bears are known to be lonely animals. Elephants are the largest land mammal. Octopus are aquatic animals with 8 tentacles and 3 hearts. Sea turtles are reptiles. Sea turtles are one of the most ancient and old animals on the planet. Sheep have an excellent sense of smell. Penguins are flightless aquatic birds. Yaks are the animals which live at the high altitude. Zebras are African animals. Rabbits are farm animals and domestic pet animals. Hippos are semi-aquatic mammals. Crocodiles are the most powerful land and water animal. Chickens have a great memory of facts. Horses are farm animals. Horses cannot breathe through their mouth. Giraffes are the tallest land animal on earth. Rhinos are herbivorous animal native to the African forest. Roosters make sure their hen eats before they do. Cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous animal. Snail. There are over 60,000 species of snails in the world.